welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will talk about three very important things. First, normal weight gain for a normal healthy baby. Second, how to track your baby's growth. And third, what to do if your baby is underweight or overweight. So let's begin. So coming to the first point, that is normal weight gain for a healthy baby. We will take one example. We will take one number as a reference. Like suppose your baby's birth weight is 3 kgs. So we'll start from right from the birth. For first to 10 days, babies lose 5 to 10% of their body weight. After that, till the age of 3 months, they will gain weight at the rate of 140 to 210 grams per week. Then at 5 months of age, they will double their body weight. That is, suppose birth weight is 3 kg, so they will become 6 kgs. After that, till 1 year of age, they will gain around 400 grams per month. So at 1 year of age, your baby will triple their birth weight. If birth weight was 3 kg, then they will become 9 kg at 1 year of age. So from birth to 1 year, their weight gain will be very fast. After that, weight gain process becomes very slow. At 2 years of age, they will just quadruple their birth weight, that is 12 kgs. Then at 3 years of age, they will become 5 times of their birth weight, and then at 5 years of age, they will become 6 times of their birth weight, that is 18 kgs if the birth weight is 3 kg. So this was the ideal weight gain for a normal healthy baby. So now, how to track your baby's growth curve? Usually what happens when our baby's weight is recorded in their vaccination chart, we always tend to check various charts over internet whether our baby's birth weight is normal or not normal. We start comparing our baby's weight with other kids also, like how they are growing and how our kids are growing. All these things are not at all required if you know how to track your baby's growth curve. Growth curve is given in vaccination chart of a baby, and if you know how to read, how to interpret the graph, you will not require any growth chart, any reference value, nothing you will require. You just have to know how to interpret your baby's growth curve, and you just have to understand that your baby's growth curve cannot be compared with another baby's growth curve, because if a baby's birth weight is more than your baby's birth weight, obviously he will grow in that pattern only, and your baby will follow his path, his curve, and he is also growing up normally. So most important thing what you have to see is whether there is a dip in their growth curve or not. There should not be any dip in their growth curve. The curve which they are following since birth, it should be followed in same manner, or if it is going up, then it is fine, but it should not go down. If it is going down, that means either your child is not eating well or he's sick. I have already shared a detailed video on growth curve interpretation in one of my videos in my channel. You can just check it out, and I will post the link of that video in my comment section. Now the third point is what to do when a child is underweight and what to do when a child is overweight. If your baby is underweight and he is less than 6 months old, then you have to find out the reason why he is not gaining weight. The first most common reason is improper feeding technique. Maybe they are taking the feed very superficially, they are not latching properly. That you have to practice, and you have to talk to your pediatrician also. Next common thing is insufficient milk supply. So if there is inadequate milk supply, then you have to talk to your pediatrician regarding supplemental feeding. That is maybe your pediatrician will advise formula feeding for your child. So both these reasons are important when your baby is less than 6 months old. So for babies more than 6 months old, things become little easier, because the only thing which we have to do is dietary changes. Adding weight gaining foods to your child's diet will help them gain weight. I will be making a separate video on weight gaining foods as well. If kids are more than 2 years of age and they are overweight, you can do diet restrictions and make them exercise, you can make them play. But from 0 to 2 years, diet restriction is not at all recommended. So for those babies who are overweight or who are on a healthier side, they tend to be obese in their later years also. So if we cannot control their diet, then definitely we can do other things which can control their weight gain. First most important thing which you can do is exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months, because breast milk is also healthy, formula milk is also healthy, which acts as a substitute for breast milk. But many research articles have stated that babies who are on formula feed for first 6 months, they tend to gain more weight easily and faster than breastfeeding babies, that weight gain may lead to obesity and overweight issues in future if there is a family history of obesity. Next thing you can do is do not overfeed them. Next thing which you can do is make them exercise, make them move, make them mobile. Don't make them sit at one place and play. And then last thing which you can do is do not offer feed for every single reason. We breastfeeding mothers tend to offer our milk for every small reason. Even if baby is crying for some other problem, we have a tendency to offer them milk. So avoid these things to avoid overweight issues. So I'm ending this video here. If you want any other topic related video, then please let me know in the comment section. If you want early notification of my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. For now, just stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.